Hi everyone, today we're going to be making an easy and very delicious side dish for your favorite recipes, Ensalada de Coditos. We're going to need 8 ounces of elbow pasta. Now, I am a type 1 diabetic. This is a great alternative for me, chickpea pasta. But if you want to go with regular pasta, that is completely fine. That is one of the great things about this recipe, so versatile. I've got a large pot with boiling water. I'm just going to generously salted, about 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Pasta goes in. Cook the pasta until it is tender. Follow the package's instructions. For example, chickpea pasta takes about 6 to 7 minutes. Just keep an eye out. You don't want it mushy, but then you also don't want to undercook it. Drain the pasta, run it under cold water to stop the cooking process. Drizzle a little bit of oil in there. That way the pasta doesn't stick to each other. I'm just gonna let it sit on the side for a little bit because we need to get a few ingredients prepped and ready to go. Starting with 1 red bell pepper. Remove those seeds. And all you have to do is just cut around that stem area. Dice it into bite-sized pieces. Do the same thing with 2 jalapeños, and I am gonna remove those seeds. You can always keep them if you want an added kick of heat. That is completely fine. Although jalapeños are mild in heat, so I typically don't have a problem with these. Now, if you really want it spicy, I suggest you go for a good old serrano.
Go for habaneros.
Habanero, yeah. Ooh, that sounds really good actually. Habaneros are wonderful. They have these floral tones, a very distinctive flavor. Jalapeños are done. Dice half of a red onion. To this large bowl, add 2 cups of mixed veggies. These are cooked. I'm gonna be using turkey ham, but you can do pork as well, that is fine. These are 12 ounces diced. Pasta time. All you have to do is just add it in. I'm gonna give it a light stir just to make sure everything is well combined. We're not done yet, but this is gonna help us speed up the process. Although it's such an easy recipe, it comes together beautifully, so easy, and the flavors are out of this world. I'm just gonna set it aside because we have to make that dressing. In a separate medium bowl, add half a cup of mayonnaise, and I like to use avocado oil based. Half a cup of crema mexicana, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, zest, a whole lime in there. I love that we get to use every single component of that lime. It's bright, it's citrusy. You can get a lot of flavor from that zest. Cut it in half so that we get the juice out, and we need 2 tablespoons of it, which is going to be the whole lime. Some ground black pepper was to combine, making sure all of those ingredients come together into this creamy, delicious dressing. Dressing goes in to the salad. And all that's left to do is mix it in, making sure every single elbow pasta is completely coated in that dressing. Taste it, make sure it has enough salt to your liking, to your taste, your preference, but we are ready to enjoy. And this is great with barbacoa, chile colorado, chile verde. I'm just gonna link a whole bunch of recipes down in the description area so you can take a look at them.
You know what this reminds me of though?
What? Street corn pasta salad.
Yeah.
That's the one. I'm gonna link it. We really do love this chickpea pasta.
I mean, it's my preference, but it's so much better than the regular one.
I love both, but obviously I can't have regular pasta. Well, I choose not to have it. This is so good. The other day I took mac and cheese with chickpea pasta. Nobody could tell. People raved about it.
It tastes better, I'm telling you. The jalapeno gives it a little bit of a kick of heat. And it's really, really good. It's not overpowering at all. You can still see, taste the sweetness of the corn
I'm going to leave you the link to the full printable recipe on villacocina.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. All right, say bye.
Bye, everyone.
Until the next one.